I am a star. I'm dreaming on a star.
You've been on my mind. I grow fonder every day, losing myself in time. At the mention of my name, will I ever know how it feels to hold you close and have you tell me whichever road I choose, you go. I don't know why I'm scared, 'cause I've been here before. Every feeling, every word, I've imagined it all. You never know if you've never tried to forgive your past and simply be mine. So I dare you to let me be your one and only. I promise I'm worthy to hold in your arms. So come on, now give me a chance to prove that I'm the one who can walk that mile until the end starts.